Okay guys, so we're going to print, that was quite an entry, right? Okay, anyways, we're going to print this on a black t-shirt using two frames. This is the gray highlight or the gray base, and this is the white highlight. So let's go and check it out how the print is going to look. Okay, so the color separation, it is done now. So I'm going to use this gray highlight and I'm going to use this white highlight to achieve the realistic print. Okay, so let's go and check it out. Gray and white highlight. Okay guys, so we're going to use this film, and this side is the gray base and this side is the white highlight. All right, and this is the frame. This is the gray base and this is the white highlight. So two screen, and we're going to print a really badass, as realistic as it can be. So it is going to look very realistic. Okay guys, so I'm going to change my palette. This is a very big palette and I'm going to use a smaller palette for this. Okay. All right, so we're going to start printing. Okay, it's done. Okay, so I'm going to apply some adhesive in the table so that when we put the t-shirt in, it's not going to move anywhere. So this is a water-based adhesive, usually used for garment industry. And I'm going to take this squeezy and gently apply it over here. All right, so the glue is applied. Now we just need to let it dry. It dries in a couple of minutes, but if you want, you can use a heat gun to dry it, okay? There is no grip tab. No grip tab here. Okay, should I do a kick flip? Okay, I don't know how to do a kick flip. I don't want to break my bone. So, oh, almost. Okay, so let's go and print. So the thing is right here. Okay, that's Mintu. That's Biswajit. That's Nirupam. And behind the camera is Julius. Okay, so he takes care of all our social media, basically the video department, right? So everything he takes care. And Nirupam takes care of all the tech. Biswajit is on the printing side. Mintu is also on the printing side. All right, so let's stick this up. So I'm going to do a test print on a cotton t-shirt, okay? Okay. Okay, so right now, so this is the gray. So first we're going to print the gray, okay? Okay, so flood the screen. one test print first. And I'm going to use the heat gun to temporarily dry the thing, okay? So one coat is enough, and the next one I'm going to do is a white ink. So this is the white ink. Same thing, I'm going to flood this thing. All right. Okay, again, I'm going to use the heat gun. Okay, so this is the test print. So it came out pretty well. It's very realistic. Okay, so now I think let's go and grab a t-shirt and print on a t-shirt, okay? Okay, so I'm going to load the t-shirt. All right, let's go and roll. So I'm going to print the gray first. So we did a test print and it came out pretty good. So I'm going to flood the screen and I'm going to use one, and the second one is to clear the ink, okay? Okay, come, check it out. Pretty dope, right? This is just the first coat. And also, we're going to take the heat gun to temporarily dry the ink, okay? Okay, so it's dried. Now for the white highlight. Flood the screen. It's pretty dope, right? It's so realistic. Okay, let me dry the ink first. Chalo. So I'm going to temporarily dry the ink, okay? So let's take out the t-shirt. So this one is temporarily dried, so we need to go to the heat press over here. And I'm going to dry this permanently, okay? So I'm going to use temperature at 170 degrees Celsius. So that will be about 300 plus Fahrenheit, in Fahrenheit, I mean. Keep this at medium press for 15 seconds. So once you can see here, so 15 seconds, okay? All right, so now, okay, I've used this special heat paper. This is it will give kind of a matted finish. And there you go. Okay, so I'm going to wear this and see how does this look like, okay? We'll do some photo shoot. All right, let's see that.
Who am I? I'm the greatest. Who am I? I'm getting paid, bitch. Who am I? I'm so flagrant. Who am I? She tastes flavors. Who am I? I'm the greatest. Who am I? I'm getting paid.